infinitely slower. Let's speed it up with fun and silly entertainment. Design a home fountain. Create outer space in a jar and decorate your room with bright, colorful fruits. You will see all this and much more in our video today. For starters, call a friend and arrange a mini photo shoot with her. Choose the best shot and print out the photo. Cut out just her body along the outline. Cut the photo up. Use pins to reconnect the parts. Now the figure moves like a puppet. She bends her arms, legs, and even performs a hot cha-cha dance. It looks very funny. And now you need a sheet of thick cardboard. Print a picture with a rainbow troll. Trim the multicolored hair, cutting out the middle of the picture. Cut a colored piece of cardboard into strips. Fasten the strips to the cardboard. Next, take some white paint and fill a Ziploc bag with it. Close the bag and distribute the paint inside. Put the bag with paint on the colorful strips and put a frame with a troll on top. The result is a cool drawing device. And instead of a brush, you can use any items. Now, the troll's hairstyle depends only on your creative thought. For this life hack, you need cotton wool, sequins, a small jar, and some paint. Dilute blue paint in a small amount of water. Pour colored water into the jar and place a piece of cotton wool in it. Decorate the cotton wool with glitter. Cover with a layer of dry cotton wool on top. Sprinkle with sequins and fill with the remnants of blue water. Wet the next cotton layer with red water. Twist the cap. Decorate with a Saturn sticker. Here's a space jar. The end result is a fancy cosmic decoration for your room. And now, print out pictures of different professions. Cut them out, fold them in a stack. Staple them with a stapler. Make 3 parallel cuts. Paste the little book inside a folded sheet of scrap paper. Scroll through the parts of the pictures and create funny images. Did you meet a writer in a fireman's helmet? And a judge in a farmer's outfit? Such a wholesome way to entertain yourself! Next, you need a chain and a wooden skewer. Hook the edge onto the tip of the skewer and wind the chain around it. We'll also use a mirrored self-adhesive film. Glue the mirror squares together. Cut out a figure like this and make cuts along the edge. Make a spearhead from a triangle and fasten it to the tip of the skewer. Sprinkle the sticky side with sequins. The result is a beautiful metallic arrow. Now let's prepare 2 short chains and mini clips. Fasten the clips at the same level. Connect the chain with the arrow. Attach photographs to the clips. The result is a very stylish way to hang up photos. The silver arrow will decorate your home and preserve your warmest memories. For the next idea, you need 3 plastic bottles and straws. Hot glue 2 plastic caps together. Drill 2 holes. Insert the straws one into the other. Seal the joint with hot glue. Insert the glued straws into the holes, placing them at different levels. Secure it with hot glue. Screw the cap on the bottle. Cut off the neck from the second bottle. Fasten it with glue to the bottom of the third bottle. Make the holes. Connect the straws like this. Strengthen them with hot glue. Use some modeling clay to seal joints. You should now have a construction like this. Add some dye to water. Fill the fountain with the tinted water. In order to do a DIY Heron's fountain, you need to add water to the upper bottle. Enjoy the view of a fountain operating without electricity. For the next life hack, you need a large tin lid. Decorate it with self-adhesive paper. As a decor, you can use large sparkles and toothpicks. Fasten shiny hearts with hot glue. Decorate the edges with toothpicks using hot glue. Fasten an ice cream stick to the lid. Print 2 images of a girl skating. Attach pictures using Elmer's glue. Fasten the girl to a small magnet. Attach a whole stack of magnets to the lid. Move the magnets on the lid and the miniature figure skater rotates and masterfully twists in pretty pirouettes. For the next life hack, you need to prepare a frame and draw or print some pictures. Cut through the pattern along the outline. Make several copies of the same image. Cut out the inside from the unicorn picture. Perform the same action on sheets of paper of different colors. Make a frame from a piece of a shiny foam rubber sheet. You need 4 frames of different shades. Lay out the sheets on the frame, alternating drawings. It turns out to be a 3-dimensional paper image. Insert a battery-operated LED light. In the dark, it's a nightlight with a soft glow. And in the afternoon, an original 3D picture. It looks very beautiful. And now you need 2 pieces of paper. Draw a cactus on one of them and a Mexican sombrero on the other. Paint the cactus with a light green marker. Paint an ornament on the sombrero. You need a wooden stick. Hot glue the sheets together, laying a stick between them. Hold the stick between your hands and rotate the twisty toy. It creates the illusion that the cactus is trying on a sombrero. Very funny! Fold small triangles from colored note papers. Draw dotted markings and cut it out. Unfold a piece of paper and you get a flower. Carefully cut one of the sectors of the flower. Use a black marker to separate the petals and draw the stamens. Connect the outer petals with a glue stick. Do the same with the rest of the pieces. Glue the flowers, placing them along the edges. Fasten another flower between them. Keep gluing the flowers. Make a postcard from decorative cardboard. Fasten the paper blooms in the middle. Apply glue on both sides and fasten it to the cardboard. All that's left is signing the card. Open it. A beautiful flower is blooming inside. That's a beautiful and original greeting card. Draw or print a colorful pineapple template. Cut, leaving allowances on the edges. Press the lines using the tip of a wooden skewer. Bend the workpiece along the lines. Attach the edges with glue and fold it into a 3-dimensional shape. Seal the top. Cut the green leaves. Seal the edges with hot glue. Connect the pieces of the pineapple. Construct other fruits following the same instructions. Geometric fruits made of paper will add a healthy mood to your interior. It looks bright and very summer-like. Did you like our life hacks? Write in the comments what idea for entertainment you will try to recreate. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any new videos on Troom Select.